guys, welcome back once again to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and something that I've never done before, but I'm so excited to get into it. Today I am going to do a full face of makeup using only L'Oreal products. Recently I went to an event, to a masterclass event where L'Oreal were super nice, and they basically gifted me a whole set of like face products, eye products, lip products, just like everything that I need to do to create a full face of makeup. So I was just thinking that it was going to be the perfect idea to just incorporate all of those products and create a YouTube video for all of you to watch using only L'Oreal products for my face. So let's just start. So I want to thank L'Oreal Paris, Puerto Rico for inviting me to go to the event. I actually vlogged a lot throughout the event. It was absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to link the video on the description, and I'll also put the little card right here so you guys could go check it out and leave me your thoughts and comments. Without further ado, let's just get into this video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be using is this L'Oreal Paris Hydra Genius moisturizer. This product smells so good, you guys. I wish that you can all smell this product because it is absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of this on my finger, and then I'm just going to be rubbing it all over my face. And I don't know why, but this product leaves my skin so refreshed. Like, I feel a little bit of a coldness. I feel like it's wonderful, you guys. So now I'm going to be applying some primer, and for the primer I'm going to be using this Infallible Matte Lock Primer. This is a mattifying primer, so I'm going to be using that. I'm going to apply a small amount of it, and then I am going to be applying it on the T-zones of my face. So before we get into the face, I always like to start with the eyes, just in case there's a fallout. I can just like swipe underneath my eyes with some makeup wipes and it's all gone. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using this Paradise Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow. This is how it looks like. The colors are absolutely beautiful and kind of neutral. So the first eyeshadow that I'm going to be applying is the color number 8, and I'm just going to be applying this on the crease of my eyes. Next, I'm going to be applying the color 9. Next, I'm going to be using the color number 11 and applying it on the outer corners just to deepen the eye look. Next, I'm going to be applying the color number 6. Then I'm going to be applying number 5 on the inner and middle portions of my lid. Now I'm going to blend everything together. Next, I'm going to be applying the number 1, and I'm going to be applying it on this area right here. Okay guys, so now I think I have fallout underneath my eyes. So I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Ideal Clean Wipe. And I'm going to be using them to clean my under eyes. It is for the eyeshadows. It's kind of like in the more neutral, natural side. Okay guys, so now that we have cleaned up our under eyes, I'm going to be taking the last color of the palette, and I'm going to be using a brush like this one, this kind of brush right here, and I just applied a little bit of product. And what I'm basically going to do is that I'm going to be applying that product underneath my lash line. Now guys, for mascara, we are going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise Base at first. And this works basically as a primer. Look at how it looks like. It basically just primes your eyelashes to prepare them for the mascara. It turns them white at first. Like, with just applying the primer, you can even see a difference. Okay guys, so I just applied some false lashes just to give this look a little bit more of a pop. So the next thing that I'm going to be applying is this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup Foundation. I'm in the color W6. And what I love about this foundation is that it is oil free, which means that it doesn't have oil, and my face is super oily, so like having a foundation that doesn't have oil is absolutely perfect because it doesn't make my makeup more oily than my face already is. And I also love that this foundation has sunscreen, which is a really important ingredient. So basically what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be applying some dots over here in my palm, just like that amount. Guys, I cannot wait to show you the concealer that I'm going to be using. I learned so many things about the correct way to apply concealer, so I cannot wait for you guys to see the next clip. So the concealer that I'm going to be using is this True Match Super Blendable Multi-Use Concealer. And I love that it has this little applicator right here, which makes it so much better to apply concealer. So in the masterclass that I went to, I learned that obviously the correct way to apply concealer isn't like in a U form, it's in a triangle form. But what I used to do was that I used to like go from my inner corner over to this place right here, and then I would do another line to do a triangle like this form. But the correct way to do it, listen to this, is to just put the concealer right in your inner corner and then extend it in a vertical line to the nose, just like that. Then, after you have this, you do the U form like this, and then take this point right here and connect it to the other point right there and just fill in between. And this concealer leaves my under eyes feeling so smooth. I am in love. And the cool thing about this is that you can actually twist it and it like comes out from this sponge, and with that you can just blend it and apply. So what you do is the following. You take your concealer and put it in the inner corners of the eyes, extend it vertically towards the nose, do the U form, and then connect this line over to this line and fill in between, and just like that. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is something that I haven't tried before. Like, this is my second time trying it, and it is using a cream contour stick. This is like a foundation, but because it is a much darker color, I can use it as a contour shade. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to be twisting it for it to show a little bit. And then I'm going to be taking my ears and basically just create some lines like this to just mark the place that the contour is gonna go. And next I'm going to be taking an angled brush like this one, and I'm going to just buff it out in circular motions. Next, I'm going to be taking the same contour shade, and I'm just going to be applying it on my forehead using the same method. And taking a small brush and just blending it outwards. And if it looks a little bit crazy, I'm going to be taking the same contour stick but in just a highlighter color, and I'm going to be applying it on the nose. Like that. To just blend it. And there. So with that same highlighter stick, you can apply it on top of your cheeks as a highlighter. Like, look at this glow, you guys. It comes like from within the skin. It doesn't look powdery. It doesn't look like that at all. It just like looks like I'm glowing from within my body to the outside. So the next product that I'm going to be using is this Scented Paradise blush from Loreal. I gotta say, I was a little bit skeptical when I tried this product just because the color looks more peachy than pink. And I've never tried any blush in this color, but let's see how it turns out to be. I'm just going to smile and just apply that on my cheeks. And it smells so good. It smells like sherry. And applying this actually muted a little bit my highlight, but I'm loving that vibe. And it smells so good. Like, look at this blush and without blush. It is absolutely stunning. I've also been liking applying like a little bit on my nose just to give it like that little blush vibe. So super excited. And to just kind of like set everything, I'm going to be using this Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to be putting some of it on the cap, taking a big fluffy brush, patting the excess, and just, ooh, the excess is a lot, and just patting all over my face using this just to like lock everything in place. I honestly do not like when people like swipe it, just because I feel like all the products are going to get in a mess, and I just feel like it's much more effective when you just pat the product to set them in the place where you applied them. It is really important that you take this powder and apply it like on your nose, just like in place, that it gets really greasy. And with the powder that is right here, I'm going to put it back because we are broke people and we can't be wasting product. So I have two of Loreal's lipsticks. I tried them yesterday. Okay, so first we are going to be trying out this lipstick. This is in the color 983. Just because my skin is a little bit more warm, I think that these lipstick colors does not like complement my skin very well, but I'm just going to be trying it on for you guys to give you like an idea of how they look like, and if I don't like them, I'm just going to be using another product. So this is the color right here. I feel that, I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but I definitely love having more color on my lips, so that's why I'm not really feeling this color. But it is a beautiful color, just like not today. I'm not gonna wear it today, like I just don't feel like wearing a mute color, but honestly, I think it looks really pretty. So the next product that I have from L'Oreal is this Les Chocolats Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Candyman. And I'm honestly just going to be applying this on top of the lipstick that I already have, just to see how well these two go together. And honestly, this literally smells like a brownie. Like, I'm not even joking. So that is it for the lipsticks I have from L'Oreal. This is how it looks like, but just because I'm not feeling the mute tones of the lipstick, I'm going to just take it off. So I'm just going to be using another lipstick to just do the outro and say bye. Okay guys, so that is it for the video. I really hope that you all enjoy it. Thank you so much, L'Oreal Paris, Puerto Rico, for sending me all these products. I really loved your masterclass, and I just want to thank you so much for inviting me. And thank you all for watching this amazing tutorial. So I really hope that you all loved it as much as I loved creating it. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!